Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina, and today is Friday, November 18th. I have a I have a couple of reminders for you before we get going with today's new fabric. This is the last weekend to vote in our Challenging Fabric Challenge, Viewers' Choice Voting, and I will put a link to that in the description of the video. As a reminder, you can vote for as many quilts as you like once per day per IP address through Sunday. And then after Sunday, we will be tabulating up the winners of the Viewer's Choice Challenge, and they will win gift cards from the shop. So if you haven't had a chance to go over and check out all the beautiful quilts made out of one particular focus fabric, be sure to do that. Second of all, our food donation drive for Dorcas Ministries here in Cary also finishes up on Sunday because we want to be sure to be able to get it to their food pantry in time for distribution before Thanksgiving. So I will again link to that in the description of the video so that you have time and space to look at what you may be able to donate to help the people here in Cary. Now it is Friday, so it's Fat Quarter Friday. This is our Fat Quarter Frenzy bundle for this week. It is called Black Magic, and it was curated by Noreen, Tammy, and Ina. Looks like they took this really fun piece of fabric here and then built off of it using different colors and blenders and prints that are available here in the store. As always, on Fridays, we have usually 6 or 8 of the bundles. So if you like what you see, be sure to order online or come into the shop before they are all gone. And we'll have a new Fat Quarter Friday bundle for you next week. Now to the main show. This is Bliss by Northcott Fabrics. A beautiful, huge collection. You've got a whole rainbow of colors there. And then we also have a quilt made out of Bliss for your viewing pleasure. This quilt is called Blissful Stars. You can see the stars better here on the pattern, but I feel like when you're looking at it in person, you actually see the color better. So that's one of those fun eye tricks where it kind of depends on what you're looking at for what you see. The patterns are available in the store, and the kits will also be available. We are going to cut kits on demand. So if you decide to purchase a kit, we will cut it for you after purchase, and then we'll let you know when it's ready for pickup or shipping. Now let's look at this beautiful collection up close. I'm not going to flip all the bolts because they're all brand new and they're all 15 yards and it just gets heavy. But I do want you to just kind of take a minute and take it all in. I think it's some of the colors look very watery. Some of them look like pebbles. This one kind of reminds me of a winery. So you can do whatever you'd like with these. I think they would be great for landscape quilts, great for applique pieces. I think you could pull out some stuff for portrait quilts or art quilts. I think bags would be a great option. Really, sky's the limit with a collection as beautiful as this one. And then these 6 over here are backings. So these are going to be 108 inches wide, and they have lots of color variation within them. I personally can't decide if the blue, the purple, or this kind of taupey blue gray color is my favorite for this round. And then of course this one on the bottom, this kind of pink and purple and green is what we backed our shop sample quilt with. So you can see it in more detail there and just see how beautiful that is as it runs through. And that's what we have for you today. So again, this is called Bliss by Northcott, and it's going to be available in the store, online, curbside, and whatever other way you can think of that we can get it to you. I hope you have a great weekend. Please take some time for yourself and take some time to sew before the busy, busy holiday season hits us in the face like it will be doing next week. And have a great, great weekend. See you next Monday. Bye.